Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines. Uh, All Saints Day, November 1st, 2024. Halloween, I worked for about an hour beforehand, so yeah. Anyway, hope everybody's having a blessed day and enjoying their weekend or their weekday, the end of their week. Hey, lots of good food, okay? It's always the important thing to get to eat. Anyway, had a comment from somebody that said, I guess I had asked the question. I was trying to figure out how much a Uber drive between DFW or Love Field and DFW would be. Got a comment back saying $32. Okay, so $40. I can handle that. That'll be something I'm going to try to, get figured out and plan for the plan an Uber from landing at Love Field from Southwest over to a hotel there on the 7th to 8th. And because I was looking at the prices on, apparently you have to return the car back to the same place to get a decent rate. And I'm like, I'm gonna go to DFW from Love Field. I was planning on dropping it off at Love Field or at DFW from Love Field, and it almost doubles the price, like 2/3 of the price or more. Yeah, even with it showing back up early. Yeah, fun stuff. But hey, if the Uber's only $40 or $32, I can deal with that. That would be good, because that's definitely better, and I can get over to a hotel that has a shuttle drive over to the airport the next morning. So I can do it that way. But yeah, I figure get off work here on a Monday morning, put everything into either an Uber to the airport or taxi to the airport. It's only 3-4 miles. So $10-15 there. And then get on Southwest, fly to Love Field, Southwest at Love Field, and then catch an Uber from there over to, I've seen a few different hotels that are about $70. So that have a shuttle to the airport, DFW airport, the next day. And yeah, be able to get that figured out and head out. Yeah. But anyway, that's get on an airplane and fly away. So yeah. I'm so ready for that to happen. And the more I look at the calendar and planning, oh man, the more I'm wanting to just go. A lot of the folks around here are telling me, oh, don't sell your house. I was planning on selling my house anyway, buying a car or a truck and a travel trailer and dragging it around the U.S. But hell, I've already been to most of the states, and the few that I have left, I have no desire to go back to. And the ones that I haven't hit, pretty much they're in places I don't want to go to. So yeah. But yes, everybody thinks I should take and run over there and do a recon, but I also know that that's costing money. And with as many different times as I've shown up in a new place and just gone at it, doesn't bother me to be the new kid on the block. I've been to the Philippines before, and yeah, I'm not worried about showing up over there and having to figure out how to do things. I've lived all these different places in the U.S. and bounced around because of them. I have no desire to stick around here and repeat it. So yeah, land in Cebu and go from there. I am so ready to go. Part of my friends and such have said, well, go over there and get your surgery done and then come back. They don't understand financing, do they? You have to have money coming in. And you don't want to waste what money you do have coming in for repeat offenses. So if I was to fly over there to get my eyes done and then fly back here and then fly back there, well, that's 2 extra plane tickets that haven't provided anything that I couldn't have got with just one extra or one plane ticket. So yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I do plan on getting over there in July, mid-July of 2025. Basically 8.5 months from now. And oh, am I definitely ready to go. Been over there trying to do the studying on things for figuring out where and such. Because I do need to get the cataract surgery done. There's a couple places over there that I've made notes about, and I'll probably try to get in touch with them in the next couple of months. Talk to them and see what all has to be done, what records do I need to bring with me or such to have them actually, do the surgery. Because I've had surgery on this eye, but it was for a torn retina. Not a good thing. And yeah, a lot of wear and tear has been in my life. It's one of those things. But yes, I am so ready for July to be here. I am really ready to go. I am wanting to get over there and get my retirement started and enjoy it. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to literally go be the beach bum. And yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, I do appreciate the comments. Please hit the like, subscribe, and comment. And watch these things. I appreciate it. I hit 199 subscribers today, so yay. Be nice to keep adding to them every day, but it is what it is. If and when I get there, I get there. So yeah, I hope you've had a blessed day, and that a lot of food's been involved. I'm Williams Philippines, and hey, I'm fishing. Guess what? Fish is out.